Now it's red. Alright. Now it's recording.
Okay, guys, get ready! Starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, begin!
Watch the flank, watch the flank. Right in front of me, right in front of me, right in front of me. I'm pinned, I'm pinned. I'm pulling back. Marcus, to your left. Marcus, right behind you. Oh, shit, you scared me.
Good shot, though.
Stay back. Oh. Is it over? Oh. So I'm over here still trying.
Okay, guys, switch sides!
Does it work? You want to trade? No. Here, trade. Trade.
Pull my hat.
Yeah, shooting. Yeah.
Magazines out there.
No, it's just the gun. All right, we're good. Thanks, dude.
You switching?
Yeah.
Right.
Put it around.
Okay, guys, get ready!
Ready.
Starting 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, begin!
Marcus, watch my right. Where? Marcus, Jeremy, behind wall to the right side. Right across from me. Jeremy, bathroom. Is that a draw or what? What happens if two guys hit each other at the same time? Is it a draw or what? Yeah, fuck it. I'll just call it out.
I think I got you in the knee. I don't know.
Yeah, you did. You did. Wait, is he still in?
I don't know. I think he was.
He's scaring the shit out of me because he's standing still with that smile, so.
Yeah, I know.
I think he's gonna kill me now. You got the grip? Yeah, I can't aim like that, man. That shit's so creepy. Like, I'm looking at you, I'm just like, shit. Don't want to waste the battery.
Thanks for the watch, big boy.
Huh?
Thanks for the watch, big boy.
Does it work?
Nope.
Go get. Yeah, you gotta just change the batteries on it.
Feels good to be back in the cruiser thing.
Well, suppose you got an extra 9.6, do you?
Huh?
Suppose you got an extra 9.6, do you?
Go ahead and ask Chris.
I'll ask him
Chris
later.
probably has one.
I'll just ask him when he dies.
I have 2 of them in my bag. They just gotta be charged.
Ask him.
If you want to go and charge them, I mean,
Damn, that's tough.
it's your gun.
Alright, we go out. Oh, is the battery on? I mean, the light on or no?
On what?
The mask. I mean, the
Red blinking.
It's blinking.
Red. You filming?
Yeah, I can't tell which one was which anymore. Alright, let's just go out. I'm going out. Coming out.